Thank you.
Sir, how was your meeting in this?
Everything went on well. Yesterday I told you everything.
What is the outcome of your 2 days visit?
We will win Goa.
We will win Goa. How much will you be saying? 27 seats, 30 seats.
See, we will form the government.
So that Amit Patkar's issue is resolved, sir, or still there will be a fraction?
There will not be any fraction in the Congress party.
Okay.
Everybody will be with the Congress party only.
Okay.
They will agree with the leadership decisions.
And sir, what
Whoever
about?
is there, we will accommodate everybody.
What about
Nobody can go alone. Congress party is for everybody. We will accommodate everybody.
What about that Goa Congress Party, sir?
Discipline is also important.
What about Goa Congress Party?
So,